Morocco's main tourist sites span from magnificent Rome ruins to orange-toned mud brick Kasbah architecture, making it one of the most intriguing ancient locations in North Africa, while the souks of Marrakech and Fes, brimming with local artisan items, have made it one of the world's top shopping destinations. So in today's video, we are going to explore the top 10 places to visit in Morocco. Number 10. The Marrakech Medina. For many visitors, the busy and energetic hum of Marrakech Medina encapsulates Morocco and is a key tourist destination. The huge square of Jemaa El Fna Square serves as the entrance to the ancient city, where it appears that half of the city congregates throughout the day and into the evening to mingle with stall sellers, traditional musicians, snake charmers, and random acrobats. Once inside the Medina, you'll find yourself in a labyrinth of maze-like streets and frantic shopkeepers. It's a vibrant and boisterous event that shouldn't be missed on any Moroccan tourism itinerary. Number 9. Ait Ben Haddou. This golden-stoned adobe Qasr, fortified town, rises sharply from the ground among breathtaking countryside. It's a fairy tale setting, and owing to its surreal splendor, the orange-hued turrets and meandering passageways inside have become a favorite film backdrop for Hollywood. If you want the whole Ait Ben Haddou experience, you may even sleep in the Sar. However, those who want their creature comforts should be warned that there is no power within the mud brick walls. Number 8. The Dazzling Valley. Hikers, trekkers, and general nature enthusiasts should not miss a trip to the Dazzling Valley, one of the most beautiful places in the High Atlas area. The slow-paced country life here, with the snow-capped peaks of the High Atlas in the background, is the perfect cure for those who have experienced ruffled nerves amid the souks of Marrakech and Fes. The valley's little communities are bordered by orchards and farming fields. Wedged between steep orange-hued cliffs, it's especially beautiful in the spring, when the fruit trees are in bloom. There are several day-walking opportunities in the vicinity, as well as excellent bird-watching chances. Number 7. Volubilis. Morocco's most famous historical monument and number 1 Roman-era ruin is the feast for history buffs. This sprawling site is littered with shattered columns and temple ruins, serving as reminders that even the most powerful civilizations eventually fall. The main attraction here, though, is a collection of beautiful mosaic flooring that have been left in place where they were discovered amid the ruins. The ruins' high location permits them to rule over the surrounding countryside, contributing to the picturesque atmosphere of a bygone era. For magnificent panoramic views of the site and surrounding countryside, climb up through the remains to the capital and forum. Number 6. Essaouira. The laid-back beach town of Essaouira, which became one of Morocco's most popular hippie hangouts in the 1970s, is the country's most attractive seaside resort. Today, the town retains a sliver of its bohemian history, and it is one of Morocco's cultural hotspots. With a strong local art scene, the major attractions for visitors is Essaouira's fortified seaside Medina. Tiny art galleries, boutiques, and thriving modern cafe and restaurant scene, as well as a classic souk shopping, can be found within the city's twisting alleyways. There are also wonderful beach walks to distant settlements and beach surfing for those who want to do more active sightseeing. Number 5. Erg Chigiga. The Erg Chigiga dune field is Morocco's biggest, covering 40 kilometers. This immense sand sea of gigantic Saharan dunes gets fewer visitors than the more renowned Erg Chebbi, since it is the furthest southeast and hence less accessible on the short Morocco vacation. The oasis hamlet of Hamid is the main departure point for Erg Chigiga excursions, from where you may go on 4WD trips and multi-day camel treks to spend the night among the dunes. Because Hamid is still 55 kilometers from the Erg Chigiga dune area, you'll need to take a 4WD trip to go there in 1 day from town. There are other smaller dunes near Hamid, and they may be reached on short dawn or sunset camel journeys. Number 4. Fes el Bali. Fes is far less gentrified than its sibling imperial city to the south. The Medina is a maze of narrow back passageways where it's nearly hard not to get lost. The tanneries are located in the souks region, and the large vats of colorful dyes are one of the city's most distinctive views. Apart from the city's artisan legacy, which includes souk alleyways brimming with traditional handicrafts and a scattering of palaces and monuments hidden within the twisted streets, the major appeal of Fes el Bali is simply wandering aimlessly around the lanes. Number 3. Erg Chibbi's Dunes. To observe the Sahara dune fields of Morocco, go east of the high Atlas spine to the extreme eastern desert region near the Algerian border. Erg Chibbi is the most popular place for vast and rippling sand dunes. Dune surfing, four-wheel drive, dune bashing, and sunrise and sunset camel trekking are all popular activities, which are generally paired with an overnight stay in a tented desert camp directly in the middle of the dune field. Even just sitting in the midst of the sand dune grandeur and gazing up at the star-filled Sahara sky at night is worth the long trip. Number 2. Bab al-Mansour. This mammoth gateway, which guards the entrance to Meknes Imperial City District, leading from Marrakech Medina, is noted for its intricate decoration, meant as a monumental reminder of the Sultan's might. The Bab al-Mansour is a magnificent relic of Meknes' glorious era as the capital of Morocco. It's widely regarded as Morocco's grandest and best preserved gateway. Come in the late afternoon to photograph the gate in the soft light and wander through Meknes' small maze of a Medina, which is a much more laid-back affair than the Medina of nearby Fes. Number 1. Chefchaouen. Chefchaouen is a labyrinth hill town of blue-on-blue houses that has an immensely picturesque radiance. Nestled within the green Rif Mountains, there isn't much in the way of genuine sightseeing, which is one of the town's primary draws. Wandering the Medina alleyways and taking in all of the colorful architecture is all that is required of the stay here. If you've been spending a lot of time in the cities of Fes and Marrakech, it's an excellent spot to recharge for a bit. This is also the beginning point of organizing center for Rif Mountain hikes, as well as one of Morocco's most popular hiking and trekking locations. This unique nation is a fusion of African and Arab cultures, and it is steeped in centuries-old tradition. It's no surprise artists and authors have praised the country for decades, and it continues to attract visitors. Give a like to this video and let us know in the comments which place you found the most interesting. Press the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.